less than 2% of the people in Thailand had heard the good news of the gospel. What does it look like when the church comes together to reach the 99?
Jesus at times would focus on one individual.
ว่ามีหลายครั้งที่พระเยซูจดจ่ออยู่กับแต่ละคน
He would unlock their potential,
แล้วพระเยซูก็ปลดปล่อยศักยภาพคนนั้น
and thousands would be reached.
This vision sparked the mission to reach everyone in Thailand with the gospel of Jesus Christ. In the last 2 years, through the unity of churches and ministries around the Great Commission, both locally and globally, and through the power of the Holy Spirit, we have seen over 3,000 evangelists trained and sent out, over 2,200 outreaches to schools bringing the good news into the new generation, 5 gospel trucks impacting cities and villages all over Thailand, and many, many millions reached through social media and broadcast campaigns. Over 650,000 people attended events hosted by local churches and international ministries, with over 270,000 confirmed decisions for Christ. Across every region, from the mountains in the north to the coastlines in the south, the good news of Jesus Christ has reached over 20 million people in Thailand. The number changed, but heaven never counts in percentages. Heaven counts souls. Chai Pa, who was healed. Some Chai who said yes to Jesus. Prosewet, who invited their neighbor. Sawat, who has received freedom. This is how a nation turns, not by changing a number, but by reaching the one.
And the Lord said the moment is now.
ว่าเวลา
The harvest is ready.
การเก็บเกี่ยวพร้อมแล้ว
Are you ready, body of Christ?
ได้ครับคุณพร้อม
The
หรือยัง
time is
เว
now.
ลานั้นคือเวลานี้
This is your
คือเว
hour.
ลาของคุณ
In order to reach everyone, we need everyone. How are you going to be a part of it? For more information, visit everyone.earth.